watched the speed videos, speed classes. In this journey itself, whenever I had difficulties in topic, I had speed app in my phone. So I could read, I could go through the PPTs, notes, then revision classes which were there before the exam, question based lectures, MCQ practice. So all of that was very helpful.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Prachi Singh for scoring a topmost rank of rank number 3 in DM Medical Group in NEET 2024 session. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Can we know a detailed background of you, where you started till date, what all you have done?
Yes, sir. I've done my MBBS from SMS Medical College, Jaipur. Then I've done my MD Medicine from AIMS Bhopal, which I finished in September of 2023. Then for a few months I did SRship at various places to be sure about which branch I want to take. So I worked in a few departments. Then I wanted to do rheumatology and I was preparing for INISS, but then that exam in itself is quite difficult because of the number of seats. Till the time this NEET exam came, I kept on giving exams so that whatever happens. So yeah, now finally the exam is over.
Yeah, great, Doctor. Now, can we know your strategy, methodology of preparation, what you did, how you did achieve this rank?
Honestly, sir, it was a long journey for me. It was from 2023 September. Now it's almost about to be 2 years because the exam got delayed. In first NEET I gave in 2023, just after finishing my MD medicine. That time I got a rank of 1400. And then I wanted to try once with my full effort, whatever I can do. So I decided that I'll give it one more attempt and see where it takes. Then in this duration, what I did was basically my textbook Harrison. Then for subjects where I felt that I need more guidance, or then I watched the speed videos, speed classes. So I finished watching videos, especially cardiology and rheumatology by Arun sir, and then gastroenterology by the Dheeraj sir. And then I did the question bank and I continuously gave the mock test which were there. Mock tests were continuous all through this phase. Then it was a long journey waiting for exam to take place.
Yeah. So finally, the exam came, and how many questions did you give in the exam?
Sir, I left only 7 questions. I attempted 143 questions. And out of that, I think I got around 117 correct.
Okay, great. Now, what do you want to do in DM? Which specialty you are aiming at?
I'm planning to take rheumatology, sir.
Okay, very good. And what is your advice for a future aspirants of DM?
Sir, based on this paper, I don't think there is any single book. This paper was quite unusual, and there was change of pattern also just before the exam. And based on this paper, I don't think there is any single book which we can refer to or which we can read. So I think advice would be to continue with the usual how we prepare. We read our books, we watch difficult topics, we watch videos, then we do questions, and then we give practice tests, and leave everything else up to what happens, because there is no way you can read everything and understand everything, remember everything. But whatever is the basics, the clinicals that we should be knowing, that's all. And in this exam, especially Section A was a surprise to all of us. It was challenging for all of us. But I think whatever questions I attempted, reminding myself in the middle of the exam that, okay, this is difficult for everyone. Because it was panicky at that time, looking at all those questions, all those big questions, all at the same time. But most of them were clinical questions. So just regular routine practice is what we can do.
Okay, great. Now, time to thank and whom all you want to thank. They have helped you, supported you from day one till date what you are today.
Yes, sir. I have a very strong support system, starting from my parents, my mother, my father, my brother, then my husband, and then my mother-in-law, father-in-law, and then my batchmates, teachers back at AIMS Bhopal. All of them supported me a lot through this journey. And so I will thank all of them. Like, I feel blessed to have so many people who were helping me all through this. Again, because it was a long journey. It was waiting for an exam for it was supposed to take place back in September, and then we had to wait 6 more months. That challenged a lot of plans which we had. But yeah, finally the exam is over, so it's good.
Your experience with speed, who recommended speed to you?
My husband recommended speed to me.
Okay.
Dr. Rishabh Bose, he cleared gastroenterology and he chose speed at that time. So he recommended you go with speed and you watch the classes.
So his recommendation was satisfied today?
Yes, sir. Not today only, or in this journey itself. Whenever I had difficulties in topic, I had speed app in my phone, so I could read. I could go through the PPTs, notes, then revision classes which were there before the exam, question based lectures, MCQ practice. So all of that was very helpful.
Great, doctor. And once again, we wish you all the very best and very successful career for a DM rheumatology ahead of you. And also, my wishes, convey my wishes to all your family members, especially your husband, Rishabh, for being a student earlier. So, convey my and our regards to him and also to your parents and all your family members. And
Thank
best
you, sir.
wishes to you once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.